protect our oceans. The importance of Reef-Safe Sunscreen. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important topic that connects the health of our planet's oceans to our daily choices. Specifically, we're going to talk about Reef-Safe Sunscreen. This is a term that has been gaining attention, but what does it really mean? And why is it so crucial for us to understand and act upon? Stay with us as we explore these questions together, and remember, every small action counts towards a bigger impact. Before we jump into what makes sunscreen reef-safe, let's understand what sunscreen is. Sunscreen is a product that we apply to our skin to protect it from the harmful effects of the sun's UV rays. These rays can cause sunburn, premature aging, and even skin cancer. However, not all sunscreens are created equal. They can be broadly categorized into two types: chemical sunscreens, which absorb UV rays, and mineral sunscreens, which reflect them away from the skin. So, how does sunscreen affect marine life? When we swim in the ocean, components of the sunscreen we wear can wash off and enter the water. Research has shown that certain chemicals in sunscreen, particularly oxybenzone and octinoxate, can be harmful to coral reefs. These substances can cause coral bleaching, harm marine species, and disrupt ecosystems. As coral reefs are vital for ocean health, providing habitat for countless marine species, their preservation is crucial. Now, onto the main question: what is reef-safe sunscreen? Although there is no official definition, reef-safe sunscreens are generally recognized as products that do not contain harmful chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate. Instead, they rely on mineral ingredients, such as zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, which are less likely to harm marine life. Choosing reef-safe sunscreen helps protect our oceans while keeping our skin safe from the sun. Choosing the right sunscreen involves more than just checking for the absence of certain chemicals. Here are some tips. Look for products labeled as reef-safe or reef-friendly. Prefer sunscreens with non-nano zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, as nanoparticles can still harm marine life. Apply sunscreen at least 15 minutes before going into the water to ensure it has time to absorb into your skin. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, or more frequently after swimming or sweating. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of choosing reef-safe sunscreen and how such a simple choice can contribute to the health of our oceans. Remember, protecting the environment starts with us, and by making informed decisions, we can all play a part in conserving our planet's precious marine ecosystems. Thank you for watching, and let's make a difference, one sunscreen bottle at a time.